This video documents a real-world GPS-assisted return-to-home test performed on a custom-built 5-inch FPV drone running INAV firmware version 7.1.2. Prior to takeoff, the drone was left powered and armed on the ground after 4 minutes to acquire a stable 3-dimensional GPS fix. At arming, HDOP measured 1.0 with 26 satellites locked, ensuring a precise home position for INAV navigation. Return to home altitude was configured to 15 meters using both nav_RTH_altitude and nav_RTH_home_altitude. This ensures the drone climbs to a safe height before returning and loiters correctly over the home point, without relying on a magnetometer. Takeoff was performed in angle mode with GPS-only navigation enabled, maintaining stability and predictable control. The drone was flown outbound at low altitude, ranging between 2 and 6 meters above ground level, reaching approximately 55 meters from the home point in the northwest direction. At the 13-second mark, a manual 180-degree yaw was executed to reorient the aircraft toward the home point. Return-to-home mode was then engaged. The aircraft autonomously climbed to the predefined 15-meter return altitude before initiating lateral navigation. The drone successfully navigated back and passed directly above the recorded home location, demonstrating reliable GPS-based positioning without compass input. After reaching the home point, a final 180-degree turn was executed, aligning the drone for a controlled manual landing. The flight concluded with a slow, controlled landing within arm's reach of the original home location. This test confirms successful GPS-assisted return-to-home performance on INAV 7.1.2 using a custom 5-inch FPV drone with the magnetometer disabled.